In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Mailchimp. Whether you've switched email providers or just feel it's time for an update, changing your Mailchimp account email is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. Let's get started. First, open your internet browser and go to the Mailchimp website. From the home page, you'll want to log in with your existing email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the Mailchimp dashboard. This is your main hub where you manage all of your email marketing activities. Look to the top right corner of the screen and you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will take you to a drop-down menu where you have several options to choose from. From this menu, you need to select Profile. Clicking on Profile will direct you to a new page where all your personal information and account details are stored. Once you're on your profile page, focus on the section titled Basic Information. This is where you can manage the essential details of your Mailchimp account, including your email address. If you're ready to change your email, look for the field that displays your current email address. Simply click on this field, and it should become editable. Here, you can type in your desired new email address. Be sure to enter it carefully to avoid any typos. After typing in your new email address, you want to make sure you save the change. Look for a button labeled Update or Save, which is generally located near the area where you entered your new email. Click this button to confirm the change. Now, Mailchimp will update your account with this new email information. It's important to note that Mailchimp takes security seriously. As soon as you've updated your email, you may receive an email confirmation at the new address you've just entered. This confirmation is crucial as it verifies the change you made. Open the email from Mailchimp and follow the provided instructions to confirm your new email address. This step ensures that all future Mailchimp communications will be sent to the correct email. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email address on Mailchimp. If you encounter any issues, remember you can always visit the help section on the Mailchimp website for further assistance. Now you're all set and ready to continue with your email marketing campaigns. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Stay tuned for more Mailchimp tips and tutorials.